so loud and grand. Puffy explores this ancient land. Leaves are huge and skies are wide. Tails go swish from side to side. T-Rex grins and says hello. Stego's plates begin to glow. Triceratops joins the song. Let's all dance and sing along. Volcano hums a rumbling beat. Tiny fossils tap their feet. Puffy counts them 1, 2, 4. Each one roaring more and more. Prehistoric fun and sound. A learning roars the whole world round. When the song ends, she gives a cheer. Dino friends, see you next year. Dino friends, see you next year. Dino friends, see you next year. Dino friends, see you.
Goodbye to Puffy Cat.